Today, indeed, I would like to thank you, Diogo, also from an engineer, all other colleagues. I have experienced really the feedback from our all colleagues here for showing the test of the machinery. They have patiently answered all my questions. The machines are working well, and it has been very much fantastic, and also it was very much pleased to see that the machines are well managed, well prepared, and I feel that what decision I have made to purchase the machinery from this company, from a factory, I'm very much happy. I'm looking forward to just in future to have more cooperation with you. And the first time I see my machinery here, it feels like my kids are here. So, and thank you very much for having me. And indeed, thank you very much from you, from Mr. Engineer, all other colleagues. Thank you very much.